Wherever there is dawah towards the truth, there must come some persecution, some resentment. Al-haqqu murrun. Truth is always bitter. Now in this conflict, now the requirement is to be steadfast, to have patience. But here we find in this passage, at this place of the Quran, a higher level, rather the highest level of sabr. You know, sabr, patience, steadfastness, forbearance. For that it is sufficient that if somebody is doing bad to you, you just tolerate it, not retaliate with anything, you know, bad. But the highest level is idfa billati hiya ahsan. They are doing harm to you, you try to do good to them. Defend in the best way. Return, not only, you know, that you are not returning anything bad, rather give them something good. If they are stoning you, throwing stones upon you, you present them flowers. If they are calling names to you, Sha'ir, Majnoon, pray for them. Oh Allah, guide these people, guide my nation.